Today we are making quick piroshki recipe. This one is an easy one. This is my mom's method. It doesn't take any time for waiting. You just kind of go from step one to the end and it is so delicious. We're gonna start by combining flour, and this recipe just needs 4 ingredients, which is amazing. We have baking soda and then sugar. Okay, I'm gonna combine all the dry ingredients together. We're gonna add buttermilk to the mix and just dump it in. The rest I will do by hand. It'll just be easier to combine it all together. So you kind of want to knead everything together by hand. This will not be your typical yeast dough. We're just going to dump it on a working surface and just combine it all together. To make it easier, you can kind of flour your hands and just continue kneading together until it comes nice and elastic. Now we're gonna divide this dough into 15 pieces. I like to use a scale because it just makes my life much easier. So we have about 600 grams of dough, and let's just crank this up. I'm gonna flour my hands and shape them into a little ball shape. And the reason why I weigh them is because I want them all to be equal in sizes. When they're frying, you want them to be all the same and cooked evenly. Okay, now we're gonna flour our rolling pin and just roll them out. And for the filling, here's what I like to use. I have a bunch of different jams. I have apricot jam, blackberry jam, and a peach jam. They're all homemade. We have this recipes at momstairs.com, but you can use whatever you want. You can even use fresh fruits with a little bit of sugar. It's really up to you. So I'm gonna use apricot jam. It's actually one of my favorites. It gives you a good sweetness and a tart flavor. Fold it over and then pinch the edges. Just like this. And you want to make sure that there is no little gaps because that's where the jam escapes. Place them flat on the surface. You want to preheat the oil for frying. So what I like to do is get oil to about 375 degrees or so. You don't want it too hot because you don't want them to burn when we're frying them. Just dunk them in one at a time, leaving some space in between. Oh yeah. Sure. Okay, we're gonna flip them over. They're nice and golden.